Lots of requests for a fridge tour, so let's do it super fast. Here are fruits and veggies. These drawers pull out and they have dividers if I need it, or I can fill them without a divider. Then coffee creamer, drinks, celery juice, mineral water, snacks and drinks for kids. Here's produce. Any extra veggies or fruits that don't fit up top go in here. Dairy's right here. Cheese, butter, sour cream. Leftovers go down here. And deli meat, and here's our chicken that we're making tonight. Then in the doors, I have pickled items, condiments, milk, and this is where I keep the extra coffee and creamer that doesn't fit in the jar. Then in this door, sauces, dressings, syrups, and drinks. So the doors and the bottom drawers are where I keep anything extra that doesn't fit in the restocks that I make. But here is what all of it looks like together.